The JAS 39 Gripen C and D are modern multirole fighter aircraft designed and built by Saab of Sweden, and they represent one of the most advanced and versatile platforms in service today. For the Royal Thai Air Force, the Gripen is not just a fighter jet, but a symbol of technological progress, national security, and strategic capability. When Thailand decided to replace its aging fleet of aircraft, the choice of Gripen was a step into a new era, bringing together advanced avionics, modern weapons, and the flexibility to perform in almost any combat environment. The Gripen was designed from the ground up to be agile, lightweight, and efficient, with its single Volvo RM12 turbofan engine providing reliable thrust and power. The aircraft combines speed with remarkable maneuverability. The Gripen can execute tight turns, rapid climbs, and aggressive evasive maneuvers, giving its pilots the upper hand in both dogfights and high-speed interception missions. Its compact design allows it to operate from short runways and even from road bases, which is a critical strategic advantage if traditional airbases are under threat. Inside the cockpit, the Gripen is a leap forward compared to earlier generations of fighters. It uses a fly-by-wire control system, allowing for smooth and precise handling, and it is equipped with large digital multifunction displays that present the pilot with tactical information in real time. These systems can be tailored to the mission, whether it is air-to-air, combat, ground attack, or reconnaissance. The pilot has a full picture of the battlefield at a glance, allowing them to make faster and more accurate decisions under pressure. What sets the Gripen apart from many other aircraft is its network-centric warfare capability. With an advanced data link, Gripen pilots are able to share information instantly with other aircraft, ground units, and command centers. This creates a coordinated force where every element knows the position of friend and foe. In modern warfare, where information can be more decisive than firepower, this capability makes the Gripen an exceptionally dangerous opponent in terms of armament. The Gripen can carry a wide variety of weapons. For air superiority, it can be armed with short-range infrared missiles, as well as advanced beyond visual range missiles that can strike opponents from long distances. For ground attack, it is capable of deploying precision-guided bombs, anti-ship missiles, and air-to-surface missiles designed to take out hardened targets. Combined with a powerful pulse Doppler radar that can track multiple targets simultaneously, the Gripen is prepared for virtually any mission profile. The Royal Thai Air Force acquired 12 Gripen C and D aircraft, which are stationed in Thani. Alongside the aircraft, Thailand invested in pilot training, maintenance facilities, and advanced radar and command systems to ensure the Gripen operates as part of a complete defense network. This integration means that Thai pilots not only fly one of the most modern fighters in the region but also operate within a system designed to maximize the aircraft's strengths. One of the strongest arguments for the Gripen is its cost-effectiveness. While many modern fighters come with very high operational costs, the Gripen is specifically designed to be affordable to maintain and easy to operate. Turnaround time between missions is short, and in many cases, the aircraft can be refueled, rearmed, and ready to fly again in less than 30 minutes. Even the engine can be replaced in a matter of minutes by a small ground crew, giving it a level of maintainability that few other fighters can match. For Thailand, This means the Gripen can remain operational and combat-ready at all times, without requiring excessive budgets or large ground facilities. In the long term, this affordability ensures that the Royal Thai Air Force can sustain its capabilities for decades, beyond the numbers. The Gripen plays an important role in Thailand's defense strategy. It demonstrates that the country can field modern technology equal to that of larger nations, and it provides a credible deterrent against any threat to Thai sovereignty. It also strengthens Thailand's partnerships with international allies, as the Gripen is interoperable with NATO standards and can integrate with other systems used around the world. From a pilot's perspective, flying the Gripen means being in control of a machine that responds instantly to commands, one that feels like an extension of the pilot's own body. From a commander's perspective, it means having an aircraft that can adapt to any mission, whether it's intercepting intruders, defending national airspace, conducting reconnaissance, or delivering precision strikes on critical targets. The Gripen's balance of technology, affordability, and adaptability makes it unique among modern fighters. For the Royal Thai Air Force, it is more than just a replacement for older aircraft. It is a forward-looking investment in national security. Its arrival marked a shift in capability, elevating Thailand's air defense to a level that ensures stability and security in the region. In the end, the JAS 39C and D Gripen have proven themselves not only as powerful fighter jets but also as a backbone for a modern air force. They are fast, reliable, cost-efficient, and fully capable of defending Thailand's skies. For the Thai people, the Gripen represents confidence that their air force is prepared, resilient, and ready to meet any challenge, and for the future. It ensures that Thailand remains secure in an increasingly complex and unpredictable world.